In this video, we're diving into the find and search functions in Microsoft Excel. These functions are essential tools for locating specific text within a cell. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use them effectively to find the position of any text string within another, making your data handling tasks much easier. Let's start with the find function. This function is used to locate the starting position of a specific text string within another text string. The find function is case-sensitive, which means it distinguishes between uppercase and lowercase letters. The syntax for the find function is as follows: find open parenthesis find underscore text, comma within underscore text, comma, open square bracket, start underscore number, close square bracket, close parenthesis. Find underscore text is the text you want to find. Within underscore text is the text string you are searching within. Start underscore number, which is optional, specifies the character position to start searching from. Remember, the find function is case-sensitive, so is not the same as a. Let's illustrate the find function with a couple of examples. Consider the formula. Equals find open parenthesis double quote Excel double quote comma double quote Microsoft Excel double quote close parenthesis. This formula will return the number 11 because Excel, with a capital E, starts at the 11th character of Microsoft Excel. Now if we use the formula equals find open parenthesis double quote Excel double quote comma double quote Microsoft Excel double quote close parenthesis, this will return a hashtag value. Error. The error occurs because the function could not find the lowercase Excel within Microsoft Excel due to the case mismatch. Now let's move on to the search function. The search function is similar to the find function, but with a crucial difference. It is case-insensitive. This means it does not distinguish between uppercase and lowercase letters. The syntax for the search function is almost identical to the find function. Search open parenthesis find underscore text, comma within underscore text, comma, open square bracket, start underscore number, close square bracket, close parenthesis. Find underscore text is the text you want to find. Within underscore text is the text string you are searching within. Start underscore number, which is optional, specifies the character position to start searching from. Importantly, the search function is case-insensitive, meaning a is considered the same as a. Here are a couple of examples to demonstrate the search function. The formula equals search open parenthesis double quote Excel double quote comma double quote Microsoft Excel double quote close parenthesis returns the number 11. Similarly, the formula equals search open parenthesis double quote Excel double quote comma double quote Microsoft Excel double quote close parenthesis also returns the number 11. Notice that even though we searched for the lowercase Excel within Microsoft Excel, the function still found it because it ignores the case. Let's summarize the key differences between the find and search functions. The find function is case-sensitive, requiring an exact match between the text you're searching for and the text within which you're searching. It does not support wildcards. On the other hand, the search function is case-insensitive, offering more flexible matching. It also supports the use of wildcards, allowing for more versatile searches. Let's consider a practical example. Suppose you have a list of email addresses in column B, and you want to find the position of the @ symbol in these addresses. In cell B1, we have john.doe@company.com, and in cell B2, we have jane.smith@office.org. To find the position of the @ symbol in cell B1 using the find function, you would enter the formula equals find, open parenthesis, double quote, @ double quote, comma, B1, close parenthesis. Similarly, to find the position of the @ symbol in cell B2, using the search function, you would enter the formula equals search, open parenthesis, double quote, @ double quote, comma, B2, close parenthesis. In summary, both the find and search functions are used to locate the position of a text string within another text string in Excel. The key difference lies in their sensitivity to case. Choose the find function when you need an exact, case-sensitive match. Opt for the search function when you need a more flexible, case-insensitive search. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.